Dog, be perfect to snuggle with.
He's going on an adventure.
Steve, help us do weather.
More Leonard coming in at 0-1. Right now is what it feels like in Springfield.
To warm up nicely, though, as we get into the weekend.
And the sunshine increasing, and there is a dog behind me.
You see my dog in the background? He's trying to get it. He's like my personal protective equipment.
No, not that.
Bro.
$4,000 in protection equipment to ensure Officer Donut's safety.
Неделю до 8 плюс 9 градусов.
Southeast now at 17 kilometers per hour. Here's your forecast as we go through the day tomorrow. Yes, storm is in the building.